y'all, it's your girl Dominique. This is Dom Budgets. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And today I am back with another weekly savings challenge that weekly savings that I do. I missed last week. I've been having a little bit of financial problem, but everything is great. I'm still blessed. I am so thankful to still have, a job, income, able to pay all my bills. So anyway, I know everything will get back on track very soon. So I am not stressing at all, y'all. And today I'm going to be counting my tips. This is probably like maybe 2 weeks worth. I haven't cashed up my 52-week challenge. I'm actually gonna put this on pause for now, just so I can pay off my taxes faster. And once that's done, I'm just gonna pretty much add on to whatever needs to be added during that time period. Gotta prioritize, y'all. So today I'm just going to be counting my tips, and I'm going to add it to my tax binder. I hope y'all are having a good day, a good weekend. Enjoying this beautiful weather. Y'all, I'm so ready for fall. Like, it's not even funny. Okay, so that's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2. That's good. I was not expecting 200. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 211. And surprisingly, y'all, at my job, it's still been steady, but it's not as busy as I thought it would be, especially in the summertime, y'all. I am an esthetician. I'm a wax specialist. So yeah, normally around this time, it's a lot busier. A lot busier. But hey, like I said, I'm still blessed to have a job, pay all my bills, put food in my car, eat. Y'all, I'm still in July. I just put a 7 right here. But I know today is, I believe, the 5th. So adding to 11. On 1 plus 2, 11. 2202, well, 1202. 1202. So we are getting somewhere, y'all. Later on this week, I will have a cash stuffing video coming for this paycheck. I still need to figure out where to put my money at. I have so many ones, it's ridiculous. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take like money out of here a little bit at a time and just put it up, because it's not gonna all fit in this envelope right here. So I'm just separating 5s, 10s, 20s, and 1s. Prioritizing is key, y'all. So this is going to be a very short video. Like I said, weekly I am going to be counting my cash tips, Unfortunately, right now, I'm going to be putting all of my cash tip in this text folder just so I can pay it off quicker. Then that way, after that is paid, I can apply this money to other savings. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Support your girl, y'all. I really, really appreciate it. And there will be more videos coming, and I will see y'all guys in my next one.